A widespread misconception among lay audiences is that mathematical physics has rational explanations for how our universe works. Many recite popular mantras that your computer wouldn't work if quantum mechanics were wrong. And others will tell you that general relativity is correct because otherwise we wouldn't have developed GPS. But when you ask the mathematicians, not one can explain to you the physical mechanism that underlies gravity. Not one can tell you how one magnet physically attracts another one. Nobel Prize Richard Feynman is on record stating that I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics. Do not keep asking yourself if you can possibly avoid it, but how can it be like that? Nobody knows how it can be like that. The more you see how strangely nature behaves, the harder it is to make a model that explains how even the simplest phenomena actually work. So theoretical physics has given up on that. Another prominent mathematical physicist wrote an article whose title speaks for itself. Even physicists don't understand quantum mechanics. He wrote that if nobody understands quantum mechanics, nobody understands the universe. An emeritus professor drives home the point in case you missed it. Science doesn't explain, science describes. All we need to do now is discover the differences between descriptions and explanations. Let's first cover first base. If it's irrational, the explanation is no explanation at all. A theorist should be able to make a movie of the mechanism he or she proposes. The audience should be able to watch the mechanism on the big screen. What images would a theorist put in a film for concepts such as love or energy? And this realization leads us to our definition. In physics, to explain means to reveal the mechanism that underlies a phenomenon, articulating what caused an event to happen. An explanation is the prosecutor's version of the causes that underlie the workings of the universe. The theorist paints an objective picture of the scenes necessary to understand the mechanism. An explanation deals exclusively with the past. In contrast, a description is either a robotic listing of properties of an object or a typically chronological recitation of events without identifying the causes. An equation is just a synthesized description of motion and behavior. An equation has no power or authority to tell you what physical mechanisms underlie phenomena such as gravity and magnetism. Mathematics is exclusively a language of descriptions.